Sunblaster NanoDome Mini Greenhouse kits have been the starting point for many of today's modern growers. It is the perfect all-in-one home garden to grow fresh herbs, flowers, and microgreens all year round. Just assemble and add your favorite starting mix or starter plants of your choice, water, and you will be growing in no time. The Sunblaster NanoDome Mini Greenhouse is made exclusively for Sunblaster's T5 combos and LED strip lights with a unique H pattern which enables you to lay your lighting across single or multiple domes. Or it can be set up with the Sunblaster strip light stand. The 7-inch high dome incorporates the Sunblaster lighting tracks and is vented for optimum humidity and temperature control. These kits also include a double thick 10-inch by 20-inch tray, which is designed to be reusable and long-lasting. Available in both the T5 fluorescent lighting as well as our full LED option, the Sunblaster lighting kits are designed to maximize overall performance, economy, and extend longevity while providing the best possible lighting without fail or compromise. Whether you want to start flower or vegetable seedlings, propagate fresh cuttings, or grow fresh herbs or microgreens right in your kitchen, the Sunblaster NanoDome Mini Greenhouse includes everything you need but seed and soil to get you up and growing fast, no matter what the time of year. Grow what you love and love what you grow all year long. Sunblaster. Brought to you by Hydro Farm.